Technology and Livelihood Education. Industrial Arts for Grade 7. Quarter 4 Week 3 Part 2. Our topic is Power Tools. The content standard for this lesson is: the learners demonstrate an understanding of the concepts in industrial arts services. The performance standard is: the learners perform mensuration and calculations following safety precautions. Here are the learning competency and learning objectives for this lesson. Review of the previous lesson. Name the following hand tools. Content area vocabulary. Power tools are electrically or battery-operated devices used to perform various tasks, such as cutting, drilling, grinding, or sanding. They increase efficiency and precision in tasks that would otherwise require manual effort and are commonly used in construction, woodworking, and maintenance. Pneumatic tools are powered by compressed air, making them efficient for heavy-duty tasks in industries like construction, automotive, and manufacturing. These tools include drills, impact wrenches, sanders, and grinders, offering high torque and precision. They are durable, lightweight, and reduce operator fatigue compared to manual or electric tools. Hydraulic tools use pressurized fluid to generate force, providing powerful and precise performance. Common in construction, automotive, and industrial applications, they include jacks, presses, and cutters. These tools offer high efficiency, torque, and reliability for heavy-duty tasks. The power tools. The power tools. Most modern construction or manufacturing applications will likely utilize one or a combination of two power sources, hydraulic and pneumatic. The distinction between pneumatics and hydraulics is based on the medium used for power transmission. Pneumatics rely on compressible gases such as air or pure gas. At the same time, hydraulics use incompressible liquids like mineral oil, ethylene glycol, water, synthetic fluids, or high-temperature resistant fluids to enable power transmission. Comparison of hydraulic and pneumatic power system. Pressurized air or gases are utilized in pneumatics to provide fluid power, while hydraulics rely on pressurized liquids like oil or water. When deciding between the two, factors such as cost-effectiveness, the nature of the materials to be moved, resource availability, and space constraints must all be considered. For instance, heavy lifting equipment occupies significant space and demands substantial power, unlike the smaller-scale requirements of robotic laboratory or food processing equipment. It is important to note that each power type has advantages and disadvantages, depending on the specific circumstances. Health and safety considerations for pneumatic and hydraulic tools. Pneumatic and hydraulic tools, like any other equipment, have advantages and disadvantages regarding health and safety. While they may reduce specific hazards, they also introduce new ones. Hence, it is crucial to carefully choose the appropriate tools for each task to identify and address the associated risks. This selection process should be integral to the risk assessment and control procedure. Ensuring that the tools are well maintained and operated by competent individuals and following the manufacturer's instructions is essential. Additionally, these tools share similar hazards with other tools powered by different sources, such as electricity. The following are the common pneumatic tools. The air impact wrenches are very efficient and can quickly remove nuts and bolts. They have a very high torque and can easily remove even struck, stubborn, and delicate nuts and bolts. Pneumatic drill. These tools are compact, light in weight, and can rotate at a very high RPM. The main advantage of a pneumatic drill over a regular drill, corded electric or battery-operated cordless, is no overheating problem. As a result, you can use it for continuous drilling without giving it any break. Brushed motor drills have the problem of sparks due to the carbon brushes in them. This can be a problem in chemical plants. In such places, pneumatic drills, or other air tools, for that matter, are beneficial. Air hammer. You might have seen large hammers easily breaking asphalt. These are air hammers or pneumatic jackhammers. It is a top-rated pneumatic tool for demolishing or breaking things like big rocks and roads. Air hammers are potent tools that deliver more than 3,000 beats per minute. Most hammers come with variable throttles, and the operator must be highly skilled, as even the slightest trigger can cause much damage if not handled properly. Tire inflator. A popular air tool, even with general consumers, rather than industrial workshop users, is a simple tire inflator. There are several tire inflators. Some use air pumps like cars and bikes, balls, mattresses, to inflate tires. A tire inflator, with a dedicated air compressor, will be necessary for heavy workloads and inflating large tires, for trucks and semi-trucks. Paint sprayer. A pneumatic paint sprayer uses compressed air to atomize paint, creating a fine mist for smooth application. It's commonly used for large surface areas and detailed work in industries like automotive, construction, and art. These sprayers include airbrushes, paint guns, and gravity feed systems for efficient, even coating. Air tools make the job easy and fast, whether drilling holes, tightening, loosening nuts or bolts, demolishing roads and buildings, inflating tires, painting. They are also known as pneumatic tools as they use compressed air as the energy source. In contrast to fuel electricity, we saw the basics of air tools, how they work, and different types of air tools, along with their uses. The common hydraulic tools. Hydraulic wrench. A conventional hydraulic torque wrench kit generally comprises a hydraulic torque wrench, a particular hydraulic pump station for hydraulic torque wrenches, a double high-pressure hose, and a high-strength heavy-duty socket. Hydraulic jack. A jack that uses a plunger or a hydraulic cylinder as a rigid jacking member. Simple lifting equipment is generally only equipped with a lifting mechanism to lift heavy objects. It is simple in structure, light in weight, easy to carry, and easy to move. Hydraulic puller is an ideal new tool to replace traditional pullers. It has a compact structure, flexible use, convenient carrying and operation, fewer restrictions on site, etc. It is suitable for various maintenance places. If the handle slightly swings back and forth, the hydraulic starting lever moves forward, the hook claws retreat correspondingly, and the object can be pulled out. Hydraulic nut cutters are also called nut cutters. In some industries, for rusted nuts that cannot be disassembled, a nut cutter can be used to cut the bolt without damage to the bolt easily, and the bolt can be used next time. Hydraulic press is a mechanical press that utilizes hydraulic cylinders to generate compression force. It uses the hydraulic equivalent of a mechanical lever, also known as a Brahma press. Hydraulic crimpers are tools used to connect the ends of two cables, wires, or similar flexible materials, such as hydraulic hoses, to match hose ends. The tool allows the user to create a crimp connection through a hydraulic fluid mechanism to transfer force from the user to the tool.
A time to remember. This is Teacher Mylene. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.